Hey everyone! Welcome to Hands-On Predictive Analytics with TensorFlow, video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Greg Arnold, and I'll be voicing on behalf of Parmita Biswa, the author of this course. She would be your guide throughout the course. Parmita is a data scientist by profession and has more than 3 years' experience in core data analytics. Overall, she's been in the IT field for over 8 years now. She's given various solutions and ideas in this field and strongly believes that it's always not about the coding, but how strongly you imagine it. Let's move forward. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to start programming using TensorFlow. In regards to predictive analysis, predictive analysis is very important in today's world, and TensorFlow is the easiest way to implement it. This course is divided into 7 sections. In the first section, we'll learn what predictive analysis is and a few of its practical applications. Section 2 gives an introduction to maths, which is the base of any type of analysis. Section 3 will tell you about the supervised learning for predictive analysis. Section 4 introduces about unsupervised learning. We're also going to see how we do predictive analysis using the same. Section 5 gives you an understanding of image classification. We'll build a TensorFlow model which will classify images. Section 6 will teach about a recommendation system and how we can implement it using TensorFlow. The final section is all about putting new ideas, where all we can apply deep learning and TensorFlow in various parts of practical life. But before you begin with this course, it has some prerequisites in terms of hardware and knowledge. Hardware requirements are as given below. Throughout the course, we'll use Python. You need basics of machine learning and good background on stats. Analysis of data is impossible without stats. Apart from these, if you have a knowledge about any coding language, it may be Java, Python, etc., it's always an add-on. In terms of maths, if you already know linear algebra, most of you have read it in elementary maths. That's a great start. The main goal of this course is to understand what predictive analysis is and its importance. Also what TensorFlow is and how the maths are related. We'll explore image analytics techniques. And last but not least, get an idea of how machines can change your life and make it easy. I'm looking forward to embarking with you on this expedition of a lifetime. Let's get started.